Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, inshallah, we will be looking at the vocabulary for the unit Why Do Things Yourself? Let's begin. Our first word we learn is colleagues. Colleagues. Colleagues is a noun. It means people that you work with in a job. For example, my father and his colleagues from Aramco will be traveling on a business trip. As you can see in this picture, it seems that these three people are colleagues of each other. Complicated. Complicated. Complicated is an adjective. It means something that is difficult to understand. For example, the human mind is very complicated to understand. When you look at this picture, do you understand what is going on? Or is it difficult to understand? That's right, it looks very complicated. Decade. Decade. Decade is a noun. It means a period of 10 years. For example, my brother is only 9 years old. He hasn't even lived for a decade. Right now, we are in the decade 2020. The next decade starts in 2030. As you can see, 20 plus 10 is 30, and that makes a decade. Fair. Fair. Fair is a noun. It means a large public event to show things like jobs or crafts. Every year in Jeddah, there is an international book fair. Have you been to a book fair? Get involved. Get involved is a phrasal verb. It means to take part in something. For example, my mother loves to get involved in the community. She loves to help any way that she can. And there are many ways to get involved in your community. You can volunteer, you can donate, and you can help people. And that is how you get involved. Inventor. Inventor. Inventor is a noun. It means a person who makes a new thing or something that is new. For example, Elon Musk is the inventor of Tesla. However, the car was first invented by Carl Benz in 1886. Look what this man invented. It looks like a flying car. Produce. Produce. Produce is a verb. It means to make something. For example, in the future, we will see robots produce more products than human beings. Right now, robots produce most of the cars. Repair. Repair. Repair is a verb. It means to make something damaged or broken good again, or to fix something. My favorite watch stopped working, so I took it to the shop to repair it. Does it look like this man is repairing the car? No, it looks like he's trying to break it. Thank you very much for watching today's video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Have a great day.